Mbote baninga, sango nini? Hi guys, welcome back on Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you're here for the first time and you're really serious about learning Lingala language, welcome. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel by activating the notification so we can send you all the alerts whenever we upload a new video. You can also connect with me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Lingala Academy. Also, you can add me on Snapchat by typing at the love gracias. Before we start this lesson, I want you to do three things. 1. Please pause this video and go grab a pen or a pencil. 2. Take a notebook or something you can write on. 3. Take note of every lesson and practice them. That way, you can learn better and effectively. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to say month of the year in Lingala. By the way, I made a video last time on how to say the 7 days of the week in Lingala. If you haven't watched that or you want to review that, please click on the upper right corner of your screen and then come back later to watch this video. Okay, let's get started. This is the structure you want to memorize to say a month in Lingala. Remember, this rule doesn't apply for January. The structure is Sanza. Sanza means a month. Plus ya. Ya is a preposition which means of. Plus the position or other that month occupies in the year in Lingala. Example, May is the 5th month of the year, right? So May will be Sanza ya mitano. Sanza ya mitano or Sanza ya mitano ya mbula. January in Lingala is Sanza ya yambo. Sanza ya yambo. Note that Sanza ya yambo yambula. Sanza ya yambo yambula means the first month of the year. February in Lingala is Sanza ya mibale. Sanza ya mibale. March in Lingala is Sanza ya misato. Sanza ya misato. April means Sanza ya minei. Sanza ya minei. May Sanza ya mitano. Sanza ya mitano. June Sanza ya moja. motoba. Sanza ya motoba. July. Sanza ya sambo. Sanza ya sambo. August. Sanza ya mwambe. Sanza ya mwambe. September. Sanza ya libwa. Sanza ya libwa. October. Sanza ya zomi. Sanza ya zomi. November. Sanza ya zomi na moko. Sanza ya zomi na moko. December. Sanza ya zomi na mibale. Sanza ya zomi na mibale. Sanza ya zomi na mibale. Note that the last month of the year in Lingala is said Sanza ya suka ya mbula. Sanza ya suka ya mbula.
Oi, 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 oi.
This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time.